Now let's look at how to create a special effect without a green screen. For this, we'll use the app Action Movie. And the main thing you need to remember about Action Movie is lining up your shot so the effect works correctly. So we're going to pick monsters, we're going to pick Parasite for this example, and make sure you place your actor. I put my actor closer to the screen, and there's this little icon here which you need to make sure you place on the ground so your special effect works properly. So I'm going to place it here so it looks like that icon is flat on the ground. Then you need to make sure you tell your actor that they know what they're doing. Okay, Emma, there's going to be a huge parasite shooting out of the ground. When I say when, I want you to turn, scream, and then run off.
Okay.
All right, here we go. So you press the record button down here, and then you wait for this red outline to turn green. Emma, react. Okay, great. Once you are happy with your video, we click on this to save it, and we go to Share Movie, and then we go to Save Video, and we go Hi. Now your video is saved to your camera roll, ready for the next step. So now you know how to create really cool special effects with these simple apps. Later, we'll show you how to take these effects and add them to your film using iMovie. And before you know it, you'll have a blockbuster film without having to spend a fortune.
Why don't you just use an iPad?
No! I've wasted all my money! Okay, StarTimers, you're almost ready to start making your film for our film challenge. But before you do, stay tuned to our next lesson on performance, where we'll teach you how to engage your audience by bringing your characters to life. Shine on!